This explains why a man leaves his father and mother and is joined to his wife, and the two are united into one. So mamaya, after I prayed for you, you will be no longer two. You will be one.
Hi, babe. Ganun din. First of all, I just want to thank the Lord. We know that Lord, that this is your will to us. You guide and protect us, Lord, and throughout all our journey for almost 10 years.
Magiging artista kami dito, Jong.
Thank you, Tay. Hi babe, this is it. Ito na yung araw na pinakahintay natin. Enjoy lang natin itong araw na ito. Alam ko naman na si Lord ang bahala sa lahat. Dahil ang lahat ng ito ay ayon sa will niya para sa atin. I love you so much, Mr. Laksaman and your beautiful wife, Mrs. Laksaman. Thank you babe sa regalo mo sa akin.
Wala pa, isa pa.
I love you.
Hi, babe. Sana magustuhan mo yung regalo ko sa iyo. Hindi man ito ang pinakamahal. Ikaw naman ang pinakamamahal ko. Thank you, babe. Ikaw muna.
Since God is the author, the one who instituted marriage, still we need God in our lives as an individual for us to grow and to become established and to become faithful in our spouse that will help us to fulfill our vows, to do our duties and responsibilities to our spouses and to our marriage.
Hi babe, I love you. Sa wakas, kasal na tayo. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi kahit madami tayong pinagdaanan, hindi niya tayo pinabayaan. Mula ngayon, promise ko sa'yo na ako magiging katawan mo sa lahat ng bagay. Magkasama nating haharapin ang lahat ng problema at magkasama din nating sosolusyonan.
And I promise to love you with all my heart and to give you a beautiful kids. And I will give you peace. Di ba kadalasan ang nag-first move is lalaki? So sa amin naman is ako.
One day I will come closer. Nothing compares to you. Your love doesn't change like the tide. Your love doesn't leave.
Bini Sara! Kay Bini Jam! Siyempre kay Bini Joy!
Okay, maliwagan sa lamin kung saan na
Gab, Kuya Franz, Alvin, Jexel.
No, pwede nga.
Ka-developer, from friends to lovers.
Naging magkatrabaho kami ni Jonah dati. Nauna siya pumasok sa akin sa Sencor. Tapos, nung pagpasok ko, tinabi ako sa kanya.
Kasi sobrang mahiyain niya. Pa-fall siya.
Tapos yun, lagi na kami nagkikwentuhan. Lagi kami nag-uusap hanggang sa yun, nagka-develop pa na kami.
Sinking deep, safest direction.
Nabit niya ako sa Enchanted Kingdom pa noon. Nasa Ferris wheel kami nung binigay niya yung sulat sa akin na sinasagot niya na ako.
Like the ocean, oh my heart could drown in your love doesn't change like the time. Your love doesn't leave me behind in all of the places that I've ever tried. I never.
Love you, Nak. Lagi lang siya magtitiwala kay Lord. Alam naman niya na hindi lang makakatulong sa kanya sa lahat ng mga pagsubok na darating niya, lalo na ngayon na kakasal na siya, tatayo na siya ng kanyang sariling pamilya.
Yun lang, maging matatag at yung panalangin sa Diyos palagi. Bukalibin mo.
Thank you kasi pinalaki niyo ako ng maayos, kaming magkakapatid. Naabot namin yung mga pangarap namin. Salamat sa inyo.
Ay.
Mahigit ko sa inyo.
Ay, thank you.
Tapos,
Wow, thank you.
In all of the places that I've ever tried, I never could find anyone like you. Your love is a flood.
Sana maging maayos palagi yung buhay niyo.
Tiyak na yan.
Kaya sana gumanda pa lalo.
I love you, Jana. Sana maging successful ang inyong pagsasama.
Ayan, thank you Mama and Papa.
Love you.
Kasi kung di naman dahil sa inyo, wala ako ngayon dito.
You're my constant, you're my surest thing. For now and for always, my love I will bring. All my devotion with all of my heart. All my emotion till death do us part. Your love doesn't change like the tide. Your love doesn't leave me behind. In all of the places that I've ever tried, I never could find anyone like you. Your love is a flood. Your love is a flood. Your love is a
Sobrang thankful ako sa lahat ng effort mo, sa lahat ng pasensya mo, sa lahat ng hard work mo sa relasyon natin.
Watch the clouds open up today. Saw the shadows fade away. I'm letting go of yesterday, feeling brand new. Ooh, it's hot time for a new season. Ooh, it's hot time.
Bubuo tayo ng masaya at magandang pamilya. I love you!
I got this feeling, yeah, I think my day is finally come. There's no denying that there's magic in that morning sun. Good things are coming my way. Now I know it was worth the wait. Can't shake this feeling, yeah, I think my day is finally come. My day is finally come. My day is finally come. I'ma take the
ito na yun. Ito na yung matagal nating pinaplano. Maging masaya lang tayo sa event natin na to. Mahal na mahal kita sobra.
Good things are coming my way. Now I know it was worth the wait. Can't shake this feeling, yeah. I think my day has finally come. My day has finally come. My day has finally come.
Love the Lord with all of your heart, with all of your soul, and with all of your mind. Then that word till death do us part, it shall come to pass.
I got this feeling, yeah. I think my day has finally come. There's no denying that there's magic in that morning sun. Good things are coming my way. Now I know it was worth the wait. Can't shake this feeling, yeah. I think my day has finally come. My day has finally come. My day has finally come. Ooh, it's
Kung ako ko din na mamahalin kita araw-araw, kung nagtatampo ka, kahit di ako magaling manuyo, gagawin ko ang lahat para siwing ka. Excited na ako sa mga plano natin para sa future natin. Ang love you.
Ooh, it's my time. Ooh, it's my time.
Promise to love you, to give you peace every day. And also, magpapasensya na ako palagi. Thank you, I love you.